Wondering how your SNAP score translates into a percentile? Let's break it down with a detailed analysis of SNAP score to percentile conversion and understand the importance of your performance. A SNAP score represents the marks you get in the exam. After answering questions correctly, your score is calculated by subtracting marks for wrong answers. A SNAP percentile shows how well you performed compared to other candidates. If you scored in the 80th percentile, this means you did better than 80% of all the students who took the exam. However, it's important to note that even if two students have the same SNAP score, their percentiles may differ due to varying exam difficulty levels and candidate performances in each session. Let's dive deeper into the calculation. Suppose you answer 45 questions with 38 correct and 7 incorrect. Your score would be 36.25 marks. Your percentile depends on how many students scored lower than or equal to your score out of the total candidates. Each correct answer adds 1 mark, while each incorrect answer deducts 0.25 marks. SNAP allows you to take the exam up to 3 times. While there's no score normalization, you can maximize your score by taking multiple attempts. The highest raw score across your attempts is what counts towards your admission. Each attempt gives you an opportunity to adjust strategies and improve performance, and it only requires a separate application fee for each attempt. Aim to perform your best in the final test after learning from previous attempts. For SNAP 2025, the expected score to percentile mapping shows a significant variation in percentiles based on your score. For example, a score of 47.75 can get you a 99.96 percentile. To secure a 99 percentile, you'd need to score around 41.50 marks. Even a score as low as 31.25 can still place you in the 99.26 percentile with careful answering. These benchmarks are only indicative and can vary each year based on the difficulty of the exam and the performance of other candidates. Let's also look at the section-wise analysis. The SNAP exam has 3 sections: English, Logical Reasoning, and Quantitative and Data Interpretation. Here's a snapshot of what the top percentiles look like. For the 99.96 percentile, the expected scores are 11.75 in English, 18 in Logical Reasoning, and 18 in Quantitative and DI. For the 99.26 percentile, the scores may drop to 8 in English, 15 in Logical Reasoning, and 8.25 in Quantitative and DI. The SNAP score also helps determine which Symbiosis Institute you may be eligible for. For instance, SIBM Pune requires around a 98 to 99 percentile with a target score of 49 to 50 marks. SCMHRD Pune expects a 96 to 97 percentile with a raw score target of 46 to 47 marks. As you can see, higher percentiles lead to better chances of admission to top-tier institutes. Understanding these cutoffs helps you set realistic goals based on your performance.